Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna teach you how to do this table island, how to curve and this pattern. Okay. So very simple. You just we build the area first. Build the area first. Okay, build the area first. Let me build the area. Okay, change back all my setting. Okay. Okay, then we go to custom kitchen. Okay, so in here we drag one for this here, this one for this area, or for this area. Okay, drag one first, then we adjust it. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust it. Here will be the corner, I'm gonna make the corner here, so I'm gonna drag this one board. Okay, where is the board now? Panel, visitor panel, other board. Yeah, super plate. Okay, we're gonna drag this super plate. How to use it? Okay, this one up 100. This one we give it up 100 also. 100 also. Okay. Press Z lah. This one I press Z, so I press point capture. This one, yeah, Z. Okay, move it out first, then Z. Okay, point capture. Okay, the corner merge with the corner also. Okay. So the white is 550, so this one I give it 550. Oh, this is the white lah. Oh no, the white is here, 550. Okay, 550. Okay, so this one press Z to move it again. Okay, the bottom one merge with this one. Okay, exit. Okay, then we're gonna do curve, right? So never mind, I'll just make this this white angle, I need it to be 600, 800 lah, 800. Not this one. Okay, come back to 600. This one should be 600. Okay, this one should be 800. Okay, press Z to move it. Capture. Okay, then we cut the shape first. So this one is a corner, right? Okay, never mind. We can use B, point, board selection, then cut the pattern first. Okay, so click on it, right click, then this one called panel point editing. Okay, then we cut the pattern. Okay, just click on this one. I think should be here. You can see from the area. Click on this one, make it curve. Oh, simple as that. Make it curve. Okay, curve. Then save. Return. Okay, my curve is here. Never mind, guys. Well, we always can change the board direction. So I change it. Okay, move up and change the board direction to here. Okay, 180. Okay, then this one I'm gonna press Z again, point capture. Capture this point to this point here. Okay, then this one I'm gonna make it go down. Okay, because this area should be here, this area should be here. They are stick to the floor, and this one should be skirting, right? Never mind, we stick to the floor first. Okay, and this height is how much? Let me check. This one is 658 plus 100, so it's 780. So this one I'll change the height to 780. Okay, so now we have the pattern here. Okay, I'll duplicate it one. Okay, so Control V, copy one, and I'm gonna make this one here also. So I'll use, this time I use H lah, H. Z, okay, H capture, or the H with the H, so that much, okay? Simple as that. Yeah, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, Control V, then press Z, okay, Z, Z, H capture the H, this one, merge with this one, okay? Z, exit, okay? So now we have the curve, okay? We do the tabletop first, in case we do the tabletop. So we click on this one, and I think I need a board here first, in case it's look not nice. I'm gonna cover this up, so I'll add one banner here with the back panel. I think here got one back panel. Yes, back panel. Just put at the back, the back panel should be here. Okay, 228 is the rest. 228 is the rest. Wait a moment. Z in case not correct. So I use Z. Move it. Okay. Then here I add 210. Add 201. Okay. Make it 0. Okay. The height here, just see this one is 7x0. So make it 7x0. So later we can change all together with the same material. Okay, now we're gonna do tabletop. We add sink first, like the picture, or we have a sink here, so we add sink. Click on it, right click, then hardware sink installation. Okay, so this one is a single sink, so I'll just add a single sink here. Okay. Choose the faucet. Faucet is a black color, so I'll choose black color. This one, black color. Okay. Okay. After that, select the press control. Select the cabinet first. Select the cabinet. Let computer know this area you want to do tabletop. Go to countertop. Okay, just countertop installation. It will be fine. And this one, click on it. Extend it. Okay, extend it. This one I choose normal lah, the normal pattern one. Normal pattern is page number 3. Page number 3, then should be this one, my favorite. Okay, convenience for me to see. Then I move the line up to all the way here. Okay, then I select the line here, the ball. Click on the ball. Okay, click on the ball. You will see this button. Outer fillet, select the outer fillet. This one make it 300. Okay. Also select outer fillet, make it 300. Okay. And here do the same thing, guys. Here do the same thing. Click here. Click on this line. Extend it. Okay, like here. Okay. Then click on this one. Outer fillet, 300 lah. Because our cabinet is 600 now. Okay, 300. Okay, then click. Tabletop color is something like white color, so I choose a white color. Where is the white color? White color, white color, stone. Okay, something like quartz stone. White quartz stone. White color. Something like this. This is square. Something like this. Okay, then choose generate. Okay, generate already. Okay, it generate already. But I think I need longer one, the area. Okay, because I need to put panel, one panel. So this one, edit. Okay, countertop, edit. Okay, this one we make it. Select the line again. Make it longer. Longer a bit. Just longer a bit. Click it. The line, click here. Make it longer. And this one, click it. Okay. because I forget select this called the banner, so it will turn out like this. So I extend it or extend it. Okay, extend it. We generate. Okay, back to the room. So this one will be longer now, but never mind. We're gonna put panel as it panel. Okay, so we make our panel. So the panel shall be something like this. To make the panel, usually you just go to special board, choose this board. Or you can make any panel you want, any board or any pattern you want. So we click this one. Okay, let's say just minimize the size. There are no restriction on the size, so minimize the size to 100. Okay, maybe this one would put 50 lah, 50 to 50. Okay. Okay, then I click on it, click B, board selection, right click, panel point editing also. But this one no need lah, it's simple, so we click on here, just use this one, panel chamfering. Okay, so all of the angle 50, right, click on it, 25 or 25 1. Okay, this one 25 1, this one 25 1. Cannot. Never mind, we right click lah, better. Of course I cannot see also. Maybe I enlarge it. Okay, enlarge it. So click on it, then we click this one. We click here, chamfering. I'll chamfer this area. Right click, better. Right click, panel point editing. Okay, click on it, so you can click here, same thing, or you can put 25. No need to 50 so big. Okay, 25, and this one we make 25. So see circle. I'll be doing the circle, or you can just delete and create a circle on your own. There are a lot method. Okay, 25 a circle, then save, done. Okay, so this circle, this one I will make something like this. I'll make it look like this, a cylinder. Okay, just click on it, 7x0, right? 7x0. Okay. Okay, it's time to plug in. This one we're gonna manually do it to plug in. Okay, just click here, point drag to move in only. Point on it and press drag to move in only. Something like this. So another one, press Ctrl V. We have another panel. Then you edit it by your own, guys. Edit it by your own. Just press in and move out. Okay. I think that one is even smaller lah. Okay, Ctrl V. Okay, continue. Continue. Ctrl V. Or you can copy. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, copy fill first. Then you just edit it. Move it. Move it like this. Okay, let's say a few minutes later. Ta-da, complete. Okay. So after that, you just follow the pattern only. We just follow the pattern, the texture. Okay, so it's white color. This one is brown. Okay, so I just find brown color. Brown. I forget for this one. This one is the skirting. So we need to do. Okay, skirting. We need to do just select only. Click on here. Do the skirting. Skirting. Okay, basic skirting. Whatever. Okay. So material, I'll just change all one lump sum white color. Okay, so should be white color cabinet. Matte material, matte. Where is the matte? Okay, matte. Color white, all white. Okay, make it all white. So here too also become white. Material. Format printer. Paint them all to become white, and here is brown. This one here is brown, so I'm gonna make it brown color. So just click on it, right click. Okay, I click on the banner first. On the banner first. Here, right click. Brown color. Brown color should be something like this, okay. Then I'll just follow the color, copy and paste material, paste it. Or else you can choose your color first, or then only you copy and paste and add this banner inside. Okay. For this one, if not nice, then you can move it, or make it shorter also can. So maybe this one I move it a bit, move it a bit. Okay. So move it a bit. You can move it a bit. Just make it perfect guys. Make it perfect. This one. Okay. Can move out, don't worry. This one, don't worry, can move on. Come back. Okay. Exit. That's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.